300 Blackout. Custom, built by me. Got a little green grass on there, just dropped it. This is 16 inch. I think it's a 18-inch barrel, 18-inch barrel. Built every part of this gun. A little standard bipod, quad rail, a little standard scope, magnified. There's a red dot optic, green dot optic, different settings. Blackout stock with the sling, custom fitted. Brow shroud. Not your standard 223556 300 Blackout. I hate I just smudged that grass on there. Ugh. Yep. Laser. And a foregrip. That's a 300 Blackout. Change the grip on it. Hate that standard AR grip on the lower. I like them whole grips, rubberized. And that's gonna be 300 Blackout. It's custom right there. So there's a short, and then you got a little bit taller. Kind of even it up for you, and a little bit taller. Yep, 300 Blackout. How you love that?